Hey guys, what's up? Sorry about the lighting. Still no furniture here. Really getting irritated with that. But here we're going to break down the two trades that I took today. One on DEST and one on ETSY. ETSY was really the easier one because, as you can see, it just took off. And I just scalped this. I didn't take a ton of it. It took like $1 a share. Um, so point. But yeah, this was really easy. There's really nothing to go over here other than it's just had so much momentum and it's still trading a ton right now. As you can see, all these things changing, all the orders going through. But anyway, this was the easy play. That's the only reason I played it. Just a momentum play. DEST was the real play. Not much going on pre-market, but did get a nice spike. It fell, get a nice spike in here. 63 was the high. I actually got in right in here on this pullback. Pulled back into here to about the 35, and that's where I was. That's where my order was. Got filled, thankfully, and ran this thing all the way back up. I actually only got to 60 was my order. It didn't fill for the 63, but that's okay. I got them all out at 60, which was actually really lucky because I honestly figured I wouldn't fill it all. I would have to take some profit down in here. It did look like it was gonna pull back and then try to run again, but as you can see, it just didn't quite make it up to that 63 again. But it actually did end up dipping and then running back up to 478. So could have took another trade, but wasn't really too worried about it. Now we're just kind of downtrending a little bit, quite a bit actually. We're past my entry point. So with that being said, I wanted to make a quick video on going over it all. Again, website is in the description. If you guys want to learn how I trade these and basically the strategy behind it all. But with that being said, if you guys even want my how I find these penny stock right here, this is how I find them in the mornings. With that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.